Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to quickly decorate our front door. We're gonna use some artificial palms, so the weatherproof, totally resistant to conditions as well as to wind. So come with me, I'm gonna show you what to do. We have such big pots prepared over here. Mamy, słuchajcie, takie piękne, duże donice, żeby się nie przewracały. In order for them not to tumble over when there's wind, we have put some stones to the bottom, okay? And here as well, a big stone. And now we can move it basically to the place where we want to put them. Okay. Okay, so you can see the pots are ready. Now it's time for the palms. Słuchajcie, donice już stoją, czas jeszcze włożyć do nich te sztuczne palmy, no i będzie jest. The palms themselves are quite heavy. To palmy są dosyć ciężkie same w sobie. And now it's done. As you guys can see, it's standing there nicely. And in general, I love the way it looks. So no matter winter or summer, they're gonna be evergreen.